Welcome to the Antinuclear Antibodies simulation. In this simulation, you'll conduct a manual indirect enzyme antinuclear antibody technique using a common test system. Begin by selecting either the practice or test modes. The practice mode provides you with feedback, while the test mode offers none. The new sample provides a new sample from a different patient. The reagent prep button and screen prepares that sample for further study. Follow the on-screen instructions that appear after a brief delay. After completing a given step, the next instruction will shortly appear. The Serum Prep button prepares a patient's serum sample for further analysis. The Slide Prep button plates the prepared patient serum sample onto a microscope slide for viewing. The Microscope button places the sample under the microscope stage for viewing and analysis.